Have you considered an apprenticeship? Let us show you where an apprenticeship could take you.
When I was at school, obviously I had to think about what I wanted to do when I left. I spoke to a couple of the careers advisors at school who were suggesting to go to college or sixth form. I've never been a massive fan of full-time education, so I decided an apprenticeship would probably be the best route for me. I went to an open day and managed to get quite a lot of information about who to contact, where to go, and then basically got an apprenticeship with Oxford Instruments.
I think it's the talented young people that we bring into the business, the opportunity that we give them to grow and develop within our business. We have no make-work tasks, no fill-in jobs. Everything that the apprentices do contributes to the success of our organisation.
When you take the leap to an apprenticeship, I guess, you are now an adult, you're treated like an adult, you're a part of the workforce, you're an employee. When I started work at Oxford Instruments, I was paired up with a mentor that's an experienced technician that's been here for many, many years, and they sort of give you an insight of what it's like to work, not as an apprentice, as an actual proper technician.
I think apprenticeships are a good idea as they give you a head start to the real world and you start off with a job. I'm really enjoying my apprenticeship, and overall I think they give you a great head start to your career and your working life.
In my first year I developed a lot of my practical skills and had a good general introduction to working, and so I was ready to get into the workplace in my second year.
You need good grades. Despite it being a practical option, you still need to know what you're doing, and it's definitely worthwhile putting the effort in at school and trying your best, because you'll be the one that gets the rewards from it.
In my job now, somebody will show me something that's in front of me and they say this is how it works, and then I get to have a go myself. Whereas at uni it's the library and computers. Say yes to every opportunity. If someone offers to show you how a job is done, even if you feel like you've learnt too much and you can't fit anything else in, just do it, because if you come away from it and you've even picked up a little bit of it for the next time you do it, then that's great. It definitely keeps getting better and better. I enjoy it. I loved last year and I enjoy my second year even more.
I've just recently finished my apprenticeship in October, so I'm now a technician in the RAL space department. I chose engineering because when I was a kid my hobbies were making models and doing parts on cars. So where I am now I get to basically do what I did as my hobbies but on a larger scale and with a lot more technology.
I would thoroughly recommend being an apprentice. Having been an apprentice to then being a technician and now managing a facility, I never thought when I left school that I would be involved in projects where I'd be making parts that go on the International Space Station, making small geometries which were simulating the power of the sun, creating fusion energy, or even instruments which are being put on radio telescopes looking at the distant origins of the universe.
The main attraction for me from changing from full-time college to an apprenticeship was the experience. I was learning hands-on, doing the jobs I needed to learn, and at the same time going to college and learning the theory side as well.
Being an apprentice was a great experience for me. It allowed me to spend time around the company looking at different areas which I may want to get involved in the future. I would definitely recommend doing an apprenticeship. The mix between work and study was really valuable, and I wouldn't be where I am without it today.
For students, I definitely recommend doing an apprenticeship scheme. I've been through the 5 years of mine, got all my qualifications. I'm now a fully certified licensed engineer, which is the best route from my industry over university.
Would say to people, just don't give up, and if it's something you're passionate about, just go for it.
Do you want to be part of this amazing journey? If so, contact the Oxeta partners for further information.